Hey friends, a lot of users are asking what can be done if CAPTCHA doesn't work or fails consistently on a system. So this is what a CAPTCHA looks like. Okay, you can try using it. If it doesn't work, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, change the time range to last hour, and click on clear now. Check if that helps. Okay, so we'll click on the CAPTCHA and it worked. If it doesn't, then click on these three dots here, select extensions and click on manage extensions. Okay, try and remove any problematic extension. And once this is done, then click on these three dots here and select help and feedback and make sure that the browser is at the latest version. So click on about or whatever the name of the browser is. Then click on these three dots and select settings. Go to reset settings, restore settings to the default value and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.